Hey there, you just sold something online and the payment is sitting in your PayPal account. You want to withdraw the money to your Monzo account, but you're not sure if it's possible. Hook. Can you withdraw from PayPal to Monzo? Context. Before we dive into the answer, let's understand a bit about PayPal and Monzo. PayPal is a popular online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a mobile app for managing your finances. Answer. The short answer is yes, you can withdraw from PayPal to Monzo. How to do it? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw PayPal funds to your Monzo account. Link your Monzo account to PayPal. Open your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Click on Link a bank or card. Select Add a bank account. Enter your Monzo account details. Initiate the withdrawal. Go to your PayPal account and click on the Withdraw button. Choose your Monzo account as the withdrawal destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. Additional tips. Verify your accounts. Ensure that both your PayPal and Monzo accounts are verified to avoid any issues. Check fees. Some countries may charge fees for international transfers. Check with your bank or PayPal for details. Processing time. The withdrawal time may vary depending on factors like your bank's processing speed. Withdrawal limits. PayPal may have withdrawal limits. Check your account settings for more information. Common questions. Is it safe? Yes, it's generally safe to withdraw from PayPal to Monzo. Both platforms use secure encryption to protect your financial information. Can I withdraw instantly? The withdrawal time may vary. It could take a few hours or even a couple of days. Are there any fees? Some countries may charge fees for international transfers. Check with your bank or PayPal for details. Alternative methods. If you're unable to withdraw directly from PayPal to Monzo, you can consider these alternative methods. Transfer to a linked bank account. Link another bank account to PayPal and transfer the funds there. Then, you can transfer the money from your linked bank account to Monzo. Use a PayPal debit card. If you have a PayPal debit card, you can withdraw cash from ATMs. Conclusion. Withdrawing from PayPal to Monzo is a straightforward process that allows you to easily access your funds. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can make the transfer hassle-free. Call to action. Have you ever withdrawn from PayPal to Monzo? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.